Hi everyone. One of the things I really love about astrology is that it can be used in so many different ways at an infinite number of levels, and you can combine it with so many other modalities. We can learn so much about why we do what we do, why we think and feel a certain way, and why we seem to attract certain people and situations and lessons into our lives. And because our birth chart maps out the themes that our souls chose to experience and to explore in this life. And actually our natal chart it's like a snapshot, like a simplified two-dimensional illustration of our sacred geometry, really. It's like a map of the universal frequencies from our unique perspective, our point of origin, the coordinates in time and space that we choose to take physical form in this incarnation. And so it's from this particular point that we experience our own unique perspective of the universe from this one angle. And here on Earth, we experience this perspective from only one dimension, the third dimension. But we actually exist in an infinite number of dimensions. And when we start to use astrology in these other dimensions, it becomes limitless. And we can actually become the conscious creator of our whole reality, like a quantum architect. And this is what I'm especially interested in and what I focus on as an astrologer. But however deep we decide to go and whatever dimensions we're exploring astrology from, and whether or not we're even using astrology, what we're all actually doing is we are decoding the codes in our chart. We're decoding ourselves as source. And we're all also learning our own unique language of frequency. And that's something that I help people to do, to learn about their own language of frequency. Because everything in the universe is frequency, everything. And astrology is the universal language of frequency and sacred geometry. And so I plan to share lots of ideas on different ways that we can use astrology that you might not have heard of before. And if this is something that you're interested in, you might want to check out my YouTube channel, which I just created. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please be my first subscriber. And feel free to share this with anyone that you think might be interested in this. And let me know in the comments what you think. And send me a message if you're already an astrologer who is exploring quantum astrology, or if you're interested in it, and if you're interested in collaborating, please let me know. And also message me if you're interested in if you're interested in hearing about my offerings. But I look forward to talking with you all more about this stuff and really deep diving into some of this, the language of frequency and how it's tied in with astrology. But this is what I have for today. And thank you so much for listening, and bye for now.